In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Duplicating is one of the fastest ways to reuse layouts, designs, or content without rebuilding everything, and it keeps your presentation consistent while saving you time. I'll walk you through several quick methods so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best, and all of them work in most recent Windows versions of PowerPoint. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you're working on. On the left side of the screen, look for the slide thumbnail panel, the vertical strip showing small previews of your slides. This is where you'll select slides and see your duplicates appear. When a slide is selected, you'll notice it's highlighted, confirming you're working on the right one. The first method uses a right click. In the thumbnail panel, click once to select the slide you want to copy, then right-click that thumbnail and choose Duplicate Slide. PowerPoint instantly creates a copy and places it directly below the original, keeping the same layout, design, and content. You'll see the new slide appear with the same title and elements ready to edit. The second method is a quick keyboard shortcut. Click the slide you want, then press Ctrl+D. That's it. Your duplicate appears right away beneath the selected slide. This is great when you need several copies in a row. Just press Ctrl+D again to create more. If nothing happens, make sure the slide thumbnail is selected before using the shortcut. Another option is copy and paste. Select the slide in the thumbnail panel. Press Ctrl+C to copy, then press Ctrl+V to paste. You can control exactly where the duplicate goes by first clicking between other slides in the panel to set the insertion point before you paste. Paste as many times as you need to create additional copies. You can also duplicate multiple slides at once. Hold down the Control key and click each slide you want to include, making a multi-selection. With those slides highlighted, right-click and choose Duplicate Slide or press Ctrl+D. PowerPoint creates duplicates for all selected slides in a single step, which is perfect when repeating a whole sequence. Once you've duplicated a slide, you can edit the new copy independently without affecting the original. Change text, swap images, or adjust animations and timing. Your original slide stays as is, and fonts, colors, and placeholders carry over exactly, and that's all it takes to duplicate slides in PowerPoint. Fast, simple, and a real time saver when you're building a polished deck. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.